In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use an add-on called IV Generator. I'll post a link to this tutorial's reference and PBR images in the description below. Open the reference image in Photoshop. We'll use this leaf as the reference image. Copy with Ctrl+C, press Ctrl+N and Enter to create a new image, and Ctrl+V to paste to a new file. Ctrl+T to rotate it like this and press Enter. Open this image file as a reference image at the top viewport. Where the leaf vein starts need to be the center. Create a curve point, and press the 3D button. If you don't see the curve point, please activate an add-on called Add Curve, Extra Objects. Turn off the normal indicator. Extrude the curve point. Please remember to Shift-select the two last points, and press F to fill. Add the remesh modifier to turn the mesh into quads. Select these faces in the wireframe mode, activate the proportional editing and bring them down a bit. Go to the top viewport, select all in face selection mode, and press U to project from View UV Unwrap. Export the layout as an image file and open that image in Photoshop. Copy and paste the reference image into the UV layout image. Please make sure the reference image layer is at the bottom by the layer order. Use Ctrl+T to resize and use the keyboard's arrow keys to move the image. Deactivate the UV layer and save the image as PNG. Go to the Shading tab and open the saved UV image as the image texture. Press Ctrl+3 to add a subsurf modifier. We don't need too much specular. It's very important to arrange the leaf mesh properly, so that its origin is placed where the leaf vein starts. Place it like this. The ivy will generate where the 3D cursor is and it will automatically wrap around this cylinder. Create 32 loop cuts. This is where we can find the ivy generator. Click Add New Ivy and we'll have an ivy right away. Change the cylinder's origin to 3D cursor. It will be easier to resize this way. I'll show you how the ivy wraps around the target object. Add a set of bark PBR images to the cylinder. Please make sure the file names have underscore before its identifier, otherwise it won't load. Scale the texture like this. Displacement and bump is what we need. Lower the strength. Move the cylinder a bit toward the back. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings. Add a new plane as the light source by equipping it with an emission shader. On this light source mesh, add a track to constraint to the main mesh like this. Convert this IV curve to mesh. Add a new hair particle and please match my settings. It's starting to slow down my computer. Please feel free to test with the rotation settings. Let's lower the overall number of the objects. This is the end of the IV generator tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.